Let's talk about math in a way that helps you to understand it without having to feel like you're being tested. Now, as we go through school, we know our math tables, we know our timetables, we know how to count to 10, and we know how to multiply and add, subtract, do division, all that kind of stuff. But the point is, when you want to do it in real life, you need to focus on practice. It's like doing your exercise for your arms and your legs, your body. You need to do your reps. So if you look at the first one, you can see that 9 times 3 is 27. You should know that. Next one is 4 times 8 is 32. Again, you should know that. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 9 is 36. And 9 times 7 is 63. Now, again, I have to write it down. You just have to look at it and know what it is. But let's look at math in the sense of trying to understand what things mean going forward as you build upon these small numbers towards larger numbers. So again, you should know these numbers by heart. Now, when it comes to doing mental math, people think that mental math means that you have to mentally work everything out and then write down the answer. Well, that's not necessarily true. What you want to do, you want to be able to break down the individual parts of the math and then write it out, and then you show your work. So we're going to go into the next part. We're going to do 2 by 1 calculations and show how we can actually add a mental component, which means that we know how to do it, and then we add it to something else to write the answer out. Okay, so stay tuned for that.